do you think? This is what you don't like. Yeah.
She has to be smart enough to eat it.
Sister, look. Try it. You'll like it.
She'll stick everything in her mouth unless it's food.
Your baby, eat it. She just taking everything.
She has the same face Kaylee had on her cake.
There you go.
She wants everybody to go away.
Yeah, I think you're right. Wouldn't you feel silly if everyone was staring at you while you were eating? Yeah.
Is that yummy?
Yay!
Yay!
Maybe I do like this.
Reagan? No. Reagan, let her do it.
But she can't pick it up. She likes it.
Yay!
She picked up the whole thing.
Touchdown. See? I got the touchdown. Beautiful.
I caught it. Oh, that's awesome.
Oh, now it's all in her hair.
Ew. Ew. Can I please have the candle?
No.
I got the $1 million shot.
Hey, stop. No. Why don't you go sit at the counter, honey?
Isn't that good? Isn't that
You
good?
go sit at the counter so Evelyn can eat her cupcake.
Or at least play with it.
Right.
Place it yourself.
always
I got the Bible.
She's love.
I love you. There. Oh, you got to use your hair. You need to watch what you're videoing.
Is that yummy? Is that so yummy?
You're 40 minutes.
Are you so big? Are you so big? So big.
So big part is so hilarious.
So dirty hands.
So big.
What you think?
So big. So big. I get my glasses.
Okay, Reagan and Ron sit and Caitlin's gonna give you a cupcake.
All right. Well, now we'll let her play with it. Shall we pass the others out to the others?
Yes.
Okay. Cupcakes or there's carrot cake.
This is my hat.
It's actually